All right, so next up is cross stitch. I use cross stitch a lot, but not in the traditional way that you make cross stitches like in counted cross stitch where you're making rows of stitches. I'm not creating the pattern from the stitches. I'm just adding lots of texture. So what's super fun about this is that you're not trying to be consistent. So it's much more freeing and you're making one stitch at a time. They don't need to be the same size. So I'm going to just take my needle in a little bit of ways, come out a little ways. This is another one. You do want to keep your needle on top as much as possible. And then I'm going to go back in and come up over here. So that one's not too uneven. I like to make them very uneven on purpose. I'm going to kind of exaggerate the size here so that you can see that, what I'm doing. And I love to scatter them on. I think it's super fun just to scatter them around. I vary the sizes, I vary the length of the crosses, the part that's crossing. Sometimes it crosses way high, sometimes it's right in the middle. Then I'll layer in teeny tiny ones. What I especially like to do with this stitch is come back in and fill in, like do a whole bunch of stitches in one size and then come back in and make tiny ones in between. So that's how I do my cross stitches. Pretty simple, no rules.